Oh, says the linnet, if I seen, my love forsook me in the spring, and never more will I be seen without my satin gown of green. Oh, says the pretty feathered jay, now my love has fled away. For the memory of my dear, a feather of each sort I'll wear. Oh, says the sparrow, my love is gone, she so much that I doted on. And ever since, for that self-same thing, I've made a vow, never again shall I sing. Oh, says the water, wag my tail, I courted a fair one, but could not prevail. I could not with my love prevail, so that is the reason why I wag my tail. Oh, says the pretty speckled thrush that changes its note from bush to bush, my love has left me here alone, and I fear she never will return. Oh, oh, says the rook, and echoes the crow, the reason why in black we go, because our love has us forsook, so pity us, poor crow and rook. Oh, says the owl, my love is gone, it was her I doted on, since she has gone I know not where to follow, but after her I'll hoop and hollow. This was the normal version of Birds Lament by John Clare.